Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we're in a world of freelance because today we are talking about the future of Fiverr. Now, if you checked out my recent stock league video, which is basically where you can choose a stock and then you'll join our league table, you will know that my stock pick was Fiverr. Now, you may or may not have heard of Fiverr. It is relatively new. However, it has been growing more and more in popularity in recent times. And I'm going to come straight out and say it, aside from having them in my stock league, I actually own this company as well in my personal portfolio. It's a company that I'm really excited by and happy to own. So what is Fiverr? Well, it's an online marketplace for freelancers which provides a platform either via their website or their app, so freelancers can then provide a service to customers worldwide. So I'm going to put some examples here, and this is from their website of different services that are offered. There are so many out there. You've got logo design, voiceovers, digital marketing, help with social media. The list goes on. So if you're a freelancer, you could put your service onto Fiverr. So let's say that you're maybe a good logo designer or something like that. You can put that onto Fiverr, sign up, create your account, etc. Set your price that you want people to pay, put some maybe example designs, and then customers can then find you on Fiverr, get in contact with you, and then you can earn some money. So if you're a customer, you would go onto Fiverr, search for whatever service you want. You can pick your preferred freelancer, preferred designs, etc., and then get in contact with them, and then they can carry out the work for you. The great thing about Fiverr is it is relatively cheap as well. So it's great for the customer, and then in terms of the freelancer, because they'll get more work as well. So Fiverr has been growing and growing. It was founded back in 2010. However, it only IPO'd and went public last year in June 2019. And it is now the world's largest marketplace for digital services. So if we look at what's happened this year with people losing their jobs or working from home, etc., Fiverr is in a really interesting position to keep going on and grow even more, because this is a digital service. So you can work from home and use Fiverr. And from the customer's perspective, it is relatively quick and quite cheap to use as well. And it can give your own business a boost. So social media marketing, it can help you out, making thumbnails, whatever. Fiverr has it all, so it can help out your business to grow. And from the freelancer's perspective, it's a really easy platform to use, and it's a great opportunity to get that second income stream and get a little bit of extra money into your pocket. So now let's take a look at their actual stock. So looking at their stock right now, they are taking the market by storm. They have a market cap currently of $4.14 billion, which is absolutely huge considering they only went public last year, June last year, and they're already at 4.14 billion. They're currently trading at $173 per share. And if we look at where they was 1 year ago, it was around about $21. So if you did buy in at those $21 prices, you've made an absolute killing right there. Well done to you, because that is phenomenal. In the last year, this company has grown by 706% in terms of its share price. It's just continually going up and up and up, which is amazing for anyone that's actually holding this company. And even in the last 3 months alone, they're up 116%. So they just can't seem to be doing anything wrong right now in terms of their share price. Now, unfortunately, they do not have a PE ratio because this company is not currently profitable. I would like it to be profitable, but at the moment it isn't. So you could argue that at this share price, it is extremely overvalued considering they're not currently in profit. However, people are buying into Fiverr based on the future potential and what they see happening with this company. So they see this company growing more and more and more. Therefore, at this current price, whilst it might be overvalued right now, it's not going to be overvalued in the future. And analysts predict in the next 1 to 3 years, this company will have a future growth rate of 83.1%, which is amazing, beating the industry and the market, and actually beating the industry and market combined. So 83.1% in the next 1 to 3 years, that is an amazing future growth. If we look at their earnings and revenue forecasts, it is predicted to be profitable come December 2021, which is just a little bit over a year until Fiverr is hopefully going to be profitable. So moving on here to their financial position, we can see that it is very, very good at the moment. Their assets short-term outweigh their short-term liabilities, and their long-term assets also outweigh their long-term liabilities, which is what we like to see. And going into their actual financial position, we can see that they only have 2.8 million worth of debt. That's just in the bottom corner there, 2.8 million worth of debt, which might sound a lot, but if we look at their cash and short-term investments, they have 201 million sitting on their balance sheet in cash and short-term investments, which is absolutely incredible. And that is a debt to equity ratio there of just 1%. A 1% debt to equity ratio is very rare you see a balance sheet looking that good. So I'm pretty happy with that. So although there is no profit, there is also no debt. So for me, I actually see a huge amount of potential with Fiverr. We know that everything is kind of moving online these days, and this is a service and a platform we provide where it's all digital and it just helps you grow your business. So as a customer, it's what you want, and as a freelancer, we're all looking to earn that extra bit of money. Fiverr for me is a growing and growing platform. And the great thing about Fiverr for me is they are the leaders in the field right now. There isn't much other competition right now. There's a couple others that are kind of creeping up, but Fiverr is dominating that space. A lot of people have heard of them, and if you haven't, the chances are you definitely will in the future. So I would like to see them start getting some profits. Their numbers are getting better and better, and hopefully this time next year they will be profitable. So I do believe the future potential with Fiverr is very, very good. It's not necessarily your safest play because they're not proven and they're not making money right now. It's a bit more of a speculative play. However, it's in a good sector, it's in a technology sector, so I do think there is a lot of potential. I'll be interested to know your thoughts on Fiverr. Have you heard of this company before? And if you have, maybe you're investing into them, let me know down below. The share price is just going up and up and up. So right now, if you are holding Fiverr, chances are you're making some good money. So well done. But hopefully this company can continue to grow and grow, and maybe 5 times its current share price in years to come. So let me know down in the comments below your thoughts. And if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It is very much appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time,